The official United States Space Force may be new, but rumors of a secret space program date back decades. Could it still be active in the shadows? Post-2010, advancements in space technology accelerated at an unprecedented rate. Officially, the focus was on exploration, scientific research, and national defense. Governments around the world invested heavily in developing sophisticated satellites and cutting-edge spacecraft. These technologies promise to enhance communication, navigation, and surveillance capabilities. However, experts suggest there may be more happening beyond the public eye. Some believe that these advancements could also be paving the way for space-based weaponry and other covert operations. The true extent of these developments remains shrouded in secrecy, leaving many to speculate about the potential implications for global security and the future of space exploration. As we look to the stars, the line between peaceful exploration and militarization becomes increasingly blurred.
The funding for these programs is buried in classified budgets, hidden from public scrutiny and even from most government officials. It's nearly impossible to track where the money goes, but we know it's billions. These funds are meticulously concealed within layers of bureaucracy, making it a daunting task for anyone to uncover their true destination.
Could these funds support a secret fleet of orbital platforms, advanced propulsion systems, or even missions beyond Earth? The possibilities are as vast as they are intriguing. Imagine a scenario where these hidden billions are fueling the development of cutting-edge space technology, enabling humanity to reach new frontiers. Are we on the brink of discovering a clandestine space program that could change our understanding of the universe? The truth remains elusive, but the questions persist. Some whistleblowers claim they've seen or worked on spacecraft capable of interplanetary travel, technology supposedly derived from reverse-engineered alien materials. While the U.S. Space Force focuses on public missions such as satellite deployment, space traffic management, and international collaborations to ensure the safety and security of space assets, is there a covert counterpart handling off-world defense and exploration? Speculations abound about a shadowy division tasked with protecting Earth from extraterrestrial threats and conducting deep space reconnaissance. Leaked documents hint at ongoing projects that remain classified to this day. These files suggest the existence of advanced spacecraft, capable of interstellar travel, and secret bases on the Moon and Mars. The true extent of these operations remains shrouded in mystery, fueling both intrigue and concern among the public and experts alike. What are the implications of such covert activities, and how do they shape our understanding of space defense and exploration? The truth may be just above our heads. Subscribe to emgotv1 to explore the mysteries of the secret Space Force and its potential future.